Ever looked at your garden in winter and thought, there's nothing beautiful left to work with? Most people believe winter steals the charm from small rustic gardens, leaving them dull, empty, and impossible to revive. But what if this quiet season is actually your best chance to create something breathtaking? What if your tiny garden could glow, even in the cold, using simple, soulful, and fully upcycled ideas you already have at home? Today, we're diving into a small rustic garden makeover for winter 2025, where old materials, forgotten decor, and natural textures come together to create instant magic. This is winter rustic charm, not forced, not fancy, but warm, honest, and deeply calming. And as you watch, you'll discover how winter transforms into opportunity. Broken crates become cozy planters, weather becomes character, lanterns become warmth, and the smallest space suddenly feels like a peaceful winter retreat. Welcome to Relax Garden, your home for gentle garden inspiration and calming outdoor design ideas. If this is the kind of transformation you love, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because this winter your garden is about to feel alive again. The beauty of a rustic winter garden lies in its simplicity, the way natural materials soften the cold, and upcycled pieces add soul where nature rests. Start with texture. Winter has fewer colors, so texture becomes your strongest design tool. Aged terracotta, rough wood, old metal buckets, stone pots, and woven baskets add depth and warmth instantly. Then add evergreens, the heartbeat of winter gardens. Small pines, rosemary, winter ivy, and hardy shrubs placed in mismatched containers bring life without overwhelming the space. Now let's talk upcycle magic, the heart of this makeover. An old ladder becomes a vertical shelf for candles. Broken pallets transform into rustic plant stands. Tin cans turn into lanterns. Crates become mini winter planters. These pieces don't need perfection. They need presence. And finally, lighting. In winter, light is emotion. Warm fairy lights wrapped around bare branches, lanterns lining a path, candles glowing inside jars. Every flicker makes your garden feel like a small sanctuary against the cold. With just a few touches, your tiny space begins to whisper calm, proving that winter doesn't take away beauty. It reveals it. Now imagine stepping into your garden on a quiet winter evening. The warm glow from your lanterns, the earthy scent of pine, the rustic textures holding their charm even in the cold air. Your tiny outdoor world feels less like winter and more like a peaceful retreat created with your own hands. This makeover isn't just about decorating a space. It's about transforming how winter feels. It's about turning forgotten objects into beauty, turning stillness into comfort, and turning your small rustic garden into a place that warms your heart even when the air is cold. And remember, you didn't need a big budget or a big yard. You only needed intention, creativity, and a love for simple, honest design. If this winter 2025 rustic makeover inspired you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves cozy garden ideas. More calming transformations, rustic inspirations, and upcycled winter designs are coming soon on Relax Garden. Until then, stay warm, stay inspired, and let your garden remind you that beauty can bloom in every season.